go, guys. This is the LG W7 watch. It's a hybrid watch with Android Wear or Wear OS on top. It basically has two metal hands in the middle with a digital watch face or display. So the crazy thing about this watch is it does not have a hard monitor in the back. LG kept the same type of charging with this watch here. It has the little magnetic prongs here. So it's kind of surprising that this watch is the price of $449. Does not have a hard monitor. It does have a barometer. It has a bunch of things like for people who love to be outdoors. Here's a cool thing. So once you open up an app or an option, like for example here, the compass, see the hands? They kind of collapse onto each other just so you can get to see the display. So here, let's do it again. Here. So if you, for example, put the barometer, see how it is? They actually collapse against each other. That way you don't miss much of the screen. Let me do it again. It's cool. I think it's awesome. Here, see that calibration? You can calibrate the watch. And it's just like any other Wear OS watch. You can so here, if you use the dialer here, turn it like this, it'll show you the notifications. Then here, if you push it up, we'll actually do this. Here, this way you can access all the settings and everything. On this side, this is Google Fit. And on this side is your Google Now page, I guess, yes. And if you want to change the watch face, all you do is hold it just like any other Wear OS watch. And there's only two here. I'm pretty sure you can have more, but these are the ones that I have. So this is this was the LG W7 watch. If I'm saying it right, I guess it's the LG W7 watch with LG. And just a quick look at it, and be on the lookout for a review very soon. Thanks for watching.